Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16 plate Toyota Aygo X-Pression. This is the 1 litre petrol, 5 doors, finished in super red, and it has covered less than 8,000 miles. So have a good walk around this stunning looking, really high spec 5-door Aygo. Toyota's little super mini hatch. 16 on a 16, owned by the current gentleman since 2019. 7,975 miles. That's all that's on the clock. Comes with a 4-stamp service history, so really well maintained. We've got these smart 15-inch silver alloy wheels. They've got Continental tyres all round with superb tread. Really lovely and tidy little car, as you'd expect at the mileage. 16 plated this one, so still comes under the cheap tax bracket, so it's free to tax. No road tax to pay at all. Low insurance group as well. 69 brake horsepower, and the combined MPG according to Toyota is also 69. So cheap to run, cheap to insure, excellent on fuel, which is becoming ever so important these days, as we all know. And this is the X-Pression model, so really nice level of trim, far better than your standard spec. So it's got remote central locking. We've got these super looking half leather seats. You've got this cool little pattern in the cloth, and then you've got these half leather. The bolsters are all good. No rips or tears or anything nasty like that. Out to the door cards again, all in good shape. You've got cup holders at the bottom, and then you've got electric windows in the front. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel. Again, barely any signs of wear. We've got controls for the Bluetooth, and then you've got your radio volume controls. Poking through underneath, you've got your cruise control there as well, or speed limiter. Oh, we're having a bit of a camera situation. Apologies. Handbrake, cup holder. There's cup holders everywhere. 5-speed manual gearbox, and then you've got some more cup holders. Why not? Have a party. Some storage, 12-volt socket, USB, auxiliary ports, and I'll start the car up. There's your mileage, 7,975, and nearly a full tank of fuel. My God. Merry Christmas in June. Over to your infotainment display. So just as we have a look around, it's all body coloured with the black. You've got a pack there, used car pack. We've got handbooks in there. We've got locking wheel nut keys, all as it should be. And then back over to your infotainment system, air conditioning, got all your fan controls. And then really easy touchscreen system. So we've got DAB digital radio. We've got your Bluetooth. We've got your media link ups. We've got your trip computer. 284 miles. We know how to treat our customers. And then if I put the car into reverse, really nice reversing camera at the back as well. So for a small little town car, really impressive level of kit. We sell bucket loads of these, same as the Citroen C1, Peugeot 108, all Toyota running gear, extremely reliable. So it's a 4-seater, so you've got 2 headrests in the back, 2 seat belts, and then you've got the ISOFIX as well for the child seats, carpet mats which run throughout. And then in the rear, again the door cards are good. You've got these little pop-out rear windows just to let some air in. Looks great in the red. Standout car. And then into the load space, got that big glass window at the back, parcel shelf all intact, split folding rear seats, and then not a bad boot space at all for the size of car. Okay, it's not the longest boot in the world, but really deep, so you can still utilise the space. And then underneath, I won't get it out now, but we've got our inflation kit and compressor. So there we have it. Super low mileage little Aygo, 16 on a 16 X-Pression model. Manual gearbox, less than 8,000 miles, good service history, and it's a free tax model as well. Finance is available from £165 a month, based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always ever so popular little cars, hard to find them with this level of specification, and certainly hard to find with the mileage as well, so I'm sure it'll be snapped up. Thanks for watching. Please remember, if you've enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you do click the notification bell, you'll receive a new message every time we post a new car. Thanks very much for watching.